welcome to Get It Right. I'm T. I got people with me, y'all, so it may be a little weird for me, but we're going to the beach. I'm going to the beach with my daughter and the daughter I never had. She's a baby kid. This is the daughter I never had back there. Why you hiding? But for the purposes of this video, we'll call her. What's the bride of Chucky's name? What's her? Do y'all remember her name? We gonna call her B for bride. All right. No. Nope. Why? Once we approach the Golden Gate.
Actually, maximum changed it for like 5.
The beach that we came to is Baker's Beach. Baker's Beach is in San Francisco, near the Presidio. It's right near the Golden Gate Bridge. The orange bridge that you guys keep seeing is the Golden Gate Bridge. And Baker's Beach, well, some of it is a new beach, but we're not on the new side. It is so gorgeous out here today. I was not expecting this weather. I'm not even gonna lie. I know y'all like, who in their right mind wears a freaking hoodie to the beach, girl? People that live in the Bay Area. Because it literally goes from, we will have all the seasons in one day. It starts off really, really cold. If it's gonna heat up, it'll heat up like 70, like a good 70 to 73-ish is hot out here. And you just never know what you're gonna get, especially when you get on this water, because it gets really, really, really foggy and cold sometimes out here. So yeah, we all got on hoodies. Our swimsuits are under our hoodies. But yeah, you guys, it's just a chill day. Sunday afternoon. It's just something about the water. It does something to me. It calms me, and it's so beautiful. The girls went for a walk. The plan is to retire on the beach. I don't know if I'll be able to buy something on a beach. Probably if I go out of state, I definitely will. But even if we do stay in the Bay Area, which I think my husband is probably going to stay in the Bay Area or want to stay in the Bay Area, I don't think I would buy on the water here. For one, it's just way too expensive and the weather is not great. So if I'm gonna buy on the water, it's gonna be on a spot that I can enjoy it 70% of the time. I had said I was gonna do an update on my Botox. It's been 2 weeks. But since this is what I filmed today, y'all gonna get it right here. So I don't know if you guys remember, I'll probably add some shots, some before and afters. But my whole hyaluron pen inspired this Botox video. So I'm about 2 weeks out from my initial Botox appointment, and this is what we have. Now, I know y'all remember the hyaluron pen, you could still see lines. They weren't as deep, but there are absolutely no lines. I'm literally moving my forehead muscle and it's not, it don't move. My head, it don't move. Look, you can see my crow's feet are kind of together. Very natural looking, still there, but not as deep. There's an eyebrow lift too, you guys. It is drastic. You see that lift in my brow? Like, my whole situation right here is up with no effort at all. It just naturally lifts that, and that is probably the most favorite part about my most favorite part about Botox is that I get that brow lift. My eyes look more open, and I love it. So yeah, you guys see no lines at all in that arch. Look, that's a natural arch. I'm gonna put this picture with the one before I got both my Botox, and you guys will see the difference. So freaking cute. French poodle. I love his little life. I want one. Oh, once again, you guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe and click the bell so that you'll be notified every time I have an upload. You guys are the best. Get it right.